Over 60 and every morning your eyes feel weaker than the day before? You rub them, blink hard, but the world still looks blurry. Small text becomes a struggle, and driving at night, it feels risky, frightening, like the darkness is winning. But what if I told you something simple, something you can eat right before bed could help your eyes repair while you sleep? So you wake up with sharper, clearer vision, naturally and without medication. Don't look away now, because the next few minutes could help you protect the one gift that connects you to every precious moment in life, your eyesight. Welcome to your channel, the place where growing older doesn't mean growing weaker, and where your health, strength, and vision stay in your control. If you believe your best years aren't behind you, hit that like button and let's protect your eyesight together. As we age, tiny changes inside our eyes begin to steal our vision. The retina, the part that captures light, becomes weaker. The lens becomes cloudy, making the world look faded and dull, and the eyes produce less moisture, causing dryness and irritation. Even everyday tasks start to feel different. Reading messages, thread a needle, recognizing a face in low light. Everything becomes a challenge. But the biggest shift happens deep inside the eye. Cells responsible for night vision begin to die faster, so driving after sunset becomes scary. Streetlights look like blurry halos. The world turns darker sooner. And while all this is happening, the eyes are begging for one thing: nutrients that can protect and repair them. Here's the hopeful truth. Your eyes repair themselves at night, but only if you give them the right support before you sleep. So what is this simple nighttime food that helps your eyesight come back to life while you sleep? Simple. Blueberries, paired with omega-3 rich seeds like flax seeds or chia seeds. This powerful combo becomes your eye's favorite medicine. Why blueberries? Because inside these tiny, deep purple fruits live special antioxidants called anthocyanins, nature's own shield for your vision. They help your eyes by improving night vision, reducing dryness and inflammation, strengthening blood flow to the retina, and protecting against age-related damage like macular degeneration. Every bite is like sending tiny warriors into your eyes, repairing, protecting, strengthening, all while you rest. And then comes the omega-3 twist. Flaxseed or chia seeds give your eyes the healthy fats they desperately need to stay moist and sharp. Omega-3 helps prevent dry eye syndrome, keep the retina healthy, and maintain crystal clear focus. Together, this little bowl becomes a nighttime vision-boosting recipe that works while your eyes are closed. You don't need pills. You don't need expensive treatments. You just need the right food at the right time. Now you're probably wondering, how do I take this? How much? And when? It's simple and delicious. Your nightly vision-boosting snack. Half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed or chia seeds. Mix them together in a small bowl and enjoy it 45 minutes before you go to sleep. No sugar. No heavy food after this. Just let your eyes absorb the goodness as your body slips into deep rest. Want an optional boost? Add a warm cup of carrot and ginger tea beside it. No caffeine, no sugar. Just warmth that helps nutrients travel straight to the eye's tiny blood vessels. Do this at least 4 nights every week, and with consistency, you'll start noticing a difference. Sharper letters, brighter colors, more confidence in low light. Remember, it's not magic. It's nutrition doing its job. If you truly want your eyesight to stay strong for the years ahead, a few simple habits can make a powerful difference. 1. Rest your eyes from screens. 1 hour before bed, put your phone away. Give your eyes the darkness they need to heal. 2. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It relaxes the eye muscles that work all day. 3. Step into natural sunlight. Just 10 minutes in the morning strengthens your eye's natural rhythms and supports sharper focus. 4. Blink more often. Sounds simple, but we forget. Blinking spreads tears evenly, keeping your eyes moist and comfortable. 5. Hydrate. Water keeps the lens clear and prevents dry eye symptoms from getting worse. These tiny habits but protect one of the greatest gifts you have, your ability to see the world you love. Before you rush to your kitchen, remember this is supportive nutrition, not a replacement for medical care. If you have diabetes, blood thinning medication, or any chronic eye condition, please consult your doctor first before adding these foods to your bedtime routine. This simple snack is designed to support healthy eyes and enhance natural repair, but it's not a cure for serious medical conditions. Your safety comes first, always. So, starting tonight, make this tiny change. A small bowl of blueberries with flaxseed or chia seeds before bed. Let your eyes rest, repair, and wake up sharper, brighter, and more focused. Your vision is precious. Don't let aging steal it away. Start protecting it now. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone over 60 who needs it, and subscribe for more tips to stay healthy, strong, and sharp as you age.